Today I'll show you the best way to cut a watermelon. Let's start. What you're going to need is obviously a knife, and kids, please make sure that if you're going to do this, that mom or dad is assisting you, helping you to cut this. So you're going to need a knife, a watermelon, and then something like this just to keep all the juices not running off onto the table, and mom is going to be on you if you're going to cut on a board and it's going to run all over the place. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so as you can see, quite simple but effective and look easy. So the kids, you put this in the fridge just like this. When it's cold, you take it out, and then the kids can just pull out a piece and start eating it. Perfect. Please guys, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.